Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp update problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is start by manually updating through the Google Play Store or App Store. So simply go ahead and open your App Store, click on the search for WhatsApp. And on this application, there's going to be a little blue update button that you want to click on. The second thing you want to do is ensure that you have a stable internet connection. In order to do so, you can switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi. Also turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The final thing you want to do is simply head into your settings, head into general, and then scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset. Click on reset and reset network settings. Simply go ahead and restart your phone and it should fix the problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.